In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background blur in Figma. If you're looking to give your designs a sleek and modern look, background blurring can be an impressive technique to learn. Let's dive into the process and see how to easily implement this in Figma. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Figma's website. If you don't have an account already, this is the perfect time to create one. For those who already do, simply locate the login button, which you'll find in the top right corner of the screen, and go ahead and click it. You'll have the option to log in using your preferred method, but I recommend continuing with Google for a smooth, hassle-free experience. Once you are logged into Figma, you should be directed to your homepage where you can see all your recent projects and files. Now, what you want to do is navigate to the design section, which is prominently featured. Click on design to begin a new design or open an existing one, whichever suits your needs today. Now it's time to get creative. Look at the bottom midsection of the design panel where you'll find an option to create different shapes. Click on rectangle to select it and then proceed to draw a rectangle anywhere within your design canvas. The size of the rectangle doesn't really matter, so feel free to adjust it according to your design's needs. With the rectangle shape created, we can now add some color to it by selecting the fill option. Here you're given room for creativity, so choose any color that will allow the background blur to stand out effectively. With your color selected, replicate the process by clicking the rectangle tool again and drawing another shape. Once done, it's time to tweak the transparency settings, which will be instrumental when setting our blur effect later. In the fill settings, you'll see an option to type the percentage. Adjust this to your liking, which will help blend the blur seamlessly with your primary design. Next, it's time to apply the actual blur effect. Look for the Effects tab and click on it. Now, you'll notice a drop-down list. Go ahead and click on it to reveal more options. From the list, select Background Blur, which allows you to blur the content behind your chosen shapes, creating a modern and professional feel. Finally, decide on the intensity of your blur effect by typing in your preferred value for the background blur. This will be the final touch that brings everything together, creating that soft visual appeal. That's it. You've now successfully added a background blur in Figma, embellishing your design with a modern twist. Practice this a few times and you'll find it's an easy and effective way to enhance your design projects. Thanks for watching, happy designing, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.